I work at a cafe called Crossroads. It's not too far away from here. If you drop by, I'll pay you back. Come see me, okay?
Small town boy in